We look after our bodies, Smush.
Oh,
not like you.
all that. The drink's on top there, look. We'll knock it off.
Hey!
Look at that.
So look at Din Din's. Where? So look, hang on. Whoa. Hang on, come on, look. Matt. Excuse me. Oh, what is it?
A bit of everything.
Hang on, let's have a look. Let's get... there we go. Oh, look at this, ladies and gentlemen. Where's this drink?
Up there.
Oh, yes, I see.
It's going down.
Hot fire's going down, yeah. So you missed a bit of entertainment with my Cape Canaveral rocket.
I got home and he's taping all rockets together. Like in one big rocket, as if it's going to go right up in one big rocket.
Yeah, but what happened to me? When it fell over and it hit John's fence and exploded, you lot pushed me to the ground and ran up the drive.
Yeah. Once all fireworks had stopped and all smoke were like settling, he came out of garden like that.
Oh, it's a wonder. That's a bit of a woman now, Red James.
Remember we used to just walk up and down the road with like a little bit of like piping and just fire them off the shoulder.
That was best fun, James. We had a bit of tubing, like drain pipe tubing, plastic stuff on your shoulder. You can put a rocket in it and aim it. Right. Some of them were going head height down the street. They exploded on the road. They exploded on the roundabout. My dad was only young at the time.
Take a picture of the bonfire.
Yeah, come on, I think. Come on, you two. What? She's on iPod.
He's got video camera out.
She's on iPod, look. She's got iPod. She's got iPod.